In class 2, division 2 cases, there are many ways to deal with the lingual inclination of the upper central incisor. If we want to put the point of application of the forces at the crown level, we will get this kind of a movement which corrects the angulation of the tooth but is not actually helping in a vertical discrepancy or overbite. Other people will suggest to create a class 2 division 1 out of the class 2 division 2 and tip the tooth. So now you can see that we can have corrected at 21 degrees. This tooth now is corrected, almost corrected, but there is a significant amount of overjet, which then is supposed to be taken care of by either growth or maybe an extraction of a premolar. However, if you look carefully at the force system and move the center of rotation towards its correct position, you will get a moment to force ratio that will actually give us the desired movement without any round tripping. And you can see now that the tooth is actually intruding and correcting its angulation. It's pretty obvious that it's sometimes not feasible due to lack of space, or even if you want some growth of the lower jaw, it may not be the best approach. In some cases, you may want to move the center rotation to get a different movement. And let's assume if we go a little bit more towards the tooth, you'll notice that there is less rotation and more translation. So then you may want to, in a growing case, you may want to move the center rotation of the tooth higher but closer to the crown of the tooth, and you get a bit of overjet. So that's one way of approaching the class 2 division 2, and at the same time this is the desired result in many cases. So you can see now that we are correcting the curvature speed without proclining the lower incisors, and the upper incisors is actually retracting and rotating. Thank you.